Okay, you guys, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm taking just a spoolie just to brush through my brow hairs. This one I got in a pack of brushes that I purchased on Amazon. Any spoolie would do just fine. Now I am dipping into my Revolution Soap Brow Pomade, and I'm just gonna take that to laminate my brows to my forehead just to get them in place before I go ahead and start filling them in. I'm using the back of that spoolie just to press the brows down to my skin, just to have them fixed in place, just so that they're not moving around or going anywhere. That's how you get that laminated look. Now I'm taking an angled brush. This brush came in a pack of 16 from Amazon. The brand is Doe Color. And I'm just taking that angled brush just to fill in the sparse areas of my brows and outline them. And I'm using my e.l.f. brow pomade in the shade Espresso. I like to start from the front of my brows to outline them at the bottom, and then I just kind of drag it along, following the shape of my brows and curve it. And I do the same thing at the top. I like my brows to have a deep arch to kind of like raise, have the ends of my brows raised to give me that snatched look. So that's kind of what I like to do. You can do whatever you want, of course, but that's just kind of the shape I like to follow when it comes onto my brows. Of course, we're gonna do the same thing on this eye. I mean, they're never gonna be exactly the same. That's just how it is. But I'm gonna try and get them as close to looking like twins as possible. Again, starting from the bottom, just outlining those brows, get them the arch, and then we're gonna fill them in all the way through. Tell me, like, what are you guys' go-to for your brows? Do you like pomade or do you like the pencils? Like, I like the pencils, but I love the pomade because I feel like the pomade is so much easier to work with a good angle brush, of course. Like, I don't know, with the pencil, I just feel like it looks too thick. Like, I can't ever get it to have that fluffy look. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Now we have them all filled in, so I'm going to go ahead and clean them up. And I am taking my P. Louise flat brush. I love this brush for like cutting a crease, cleaning up my brows. It's so good. Like, I really love it. I wish I had gotten them in multiple. But anyways, I am just taking that brush and my LA Girl Pro concealer just to clean my brows up. The concealer is in the shade Fawn. I'm just going back in with that same angle brush just to redefine any part of the brow that I messed up with concealer. And now I'm going to be taking just a fluffy eye blender brush just to blend that concealer out. That's it, you guys. We are all done. I am just setting the brows into place once again with my NYX brow glue. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you got something from it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to subscribe.